gonna hit up West Ridge right here and do the park. Then we're gonna do some double blacks right here with Jonah. Scott's gonna take his lesson. And this is the wall. We're doing this right now. This is the mogul run. Let's go. So I'm gonna explain what just happened in that video. I caught an edge on my skis, turned backwards, and then slammed into that pole that you saw earlier.
I was in front of him, holding the camera behind my back. And when I got to the bottom of the mountain, I saw him laying on the ground in the center of the mountain. Some snowboarders came down the mountain, spreading some rumors, quoting, "Yo, this dude just got knocked the fuck out." They said he was going about 30 miles per hour and that he ain't coming back. I had to slide down the entire mountain.
Luckily, after about 4 minutes, ski patrol came and brought me down in a stretcher. After I got brought down in the stretcher, they brought me to a little room where they had medical equipment, and that's where I waited for the ambulance to come. But luckily, through the CT scan, they didn't see any signs of breakage